hear how loud that chime is? I'm going to show you how to set that chime so that it's not so loud. That is just deafening to hear that chime that loud. So let's go down here to the settings. Okay, when you push that, that is your home button, and it is going to take you to this screen no matter where you are at. So if you are on radio, no matter where you are on this screen, if you push the home button, it will take you to this screen. So now what you'll want to do is go to settings, and once you are into settings, you'll go to vehicle, and when you get to vehicle, you will go to comfort and convenience. You will see at the top it says chime volume. Hit your chime volume, and now you see it's turned about halfway up. What I'm going to do is I am just going to back it all the way down till there is no red marker at all. You can't see any red marker. That means, I know you probably think that means that I have turned it off, but it is not turned off. It is just turned down. And now I'm going to show you what it sounds like in here once I've turned it down. So turn the ignition back on. Now you hear how soft and nice that chime is. We got the chime turned down, and you are still locked in on this screen. If you want to go back to the radio, you just push the radio button and it will go back to the radio. And that is all you need to do to take care of your chime volume on a Yukon. Thanks for watching. This is codemansauto. Please subscribe.